Alright, we're at the Main Street crossing at milepost 30, just west of the Farmingdale station over here. And we're here to see train 8053 going from Ronkonkoma to New York, running in the reverse Z format. This train will go as far west as Beth Interlocking, then head east to Babylon Interlocking, and then proceed west via the Montauk Branch to New York Penn Station. This train is operating with dual mode equipment, 8-car set, the DM30AC on each end with 8 C3 cars. And the engines on this train today will be DM30AC 514 on the west end leading and 515 on the east end on the rear, heading west. When this train reverses, goes east on the central branch, 515 will be leading to Babylon, and then the 514 will return the